Hi, so today we are doing a PRP session, a platelet-rich plasma therapy session on my wife, and she has been basically suffering from hair loss post the delivery of my younger girl, and it is very common to see in females having a hair loss after that, mainly because of the hormonal levels settling down, which actually become very good, the estrogen and the progesterone during the pregnancy, and so you see a very good hair growth. But again, they come back to normal and you start seeing some hair loss. So in her case, we have been doing PRP and it has improved her hair fall to an extent, but we are just continuing with it to completely eliminate it and even make her hair more thicker. So how has been the response with the PRP treatment, Joe?
The hair fall has reduced to what it was. The texture also improves with the sessions which are continuing.
Okay. How much is the pain if you have to rate it from 1 to 10 and you are highly pain sensitive? So how much would you rate the pain? 3. So you can be true to me. You don't have to make me feel good. So how much would you rate the pain?
2 to 3 depends. Like some areas like 2 and the other like 3.
From a score of 1 to 10.
Yeah.
You're fine?
Yeah.
Yes, platelet-rich plasma therapy is completely safe. There are no side effects to this because it's your own blood going back in the form of platelets, concentrated platelets, and that is the reason we do it for many females with different hair loss concerns due to different combination reasons, and it works out pretty well.